This video will guide you on how to load a supplier and its services in Illusion On Demand. From the home page, to load a supplier, go to the wizard and click on the supplier under the product management. All the suppliers that are loaded will be displayed. To add a new supplier, click on Add Supplier. A new supplier detail page will be displayed. Tap on a 2-letter or 3-letter code. Tap on the supplier name, followed by the first name and the last name or the surname of the person who will be interacting with. Click on Geo and the system will display a geo structure page where you have the option to enter the country, city or the zone. Tap on the city and click on Go. You have the option to choose a city with or without the zone. System will update the country and the city. Tap on the postal address and the email ID of this person, followed by the means of communication, which is the telephone number here. Select the language using the drop-down. Select the communication method using the drop-down again, and click on Belongs to field where the supplier will be displayed. Type in the fax number or the mobile number, and select the country using the drop-down. Select the ground handler yes if there's a third party that is involved, or leave it as no. Click on Submit and the system will update the new supplier that is entered. To add the address to the supplier, select the radio button and click on Address and Contacts on top. System takes you to the supplier address list. Click on Next and you will be directed to the supplier contact address list. Select the element and make the necessary modification that is required. For example, you can add the title at this level. You can select the department using the drop-down. You also have the option to select our department, and the default contact should be yes. You can have any number of contacts, but one should be default yes. Click on the geostructure and the system will take you to the geostructure page again. Tap in the city and click on Go. Select with or without the zone. Once you click on Submit, system will update all the information of the supplier. By clicking back, you can go back to the previous page. Delete is used to delete. Click back once again to come back to the supplier page. To add a new service, click on Add Service Type. Type in the 2 or 3-letter code at this level. Type in the service name. For example, here is a departure transfer. Select Yes if this has to be displayed in the travel. Using the drop-down, select the transfer type. It's departure transfer. Show in the booking engine under following section. Where do you want this to be displayed? Using the option, select. Do you want this to be showed in a WBE link? If yes, description is for informational purpose. Click on Submit. System will update the service that is just loaded. Select the radio button and add the service. An Add Service Detail page will be displayed. Tap in a code which is of 2 or 3-letter codes for easy reference, and this will not be displayed anywhere else in the system. Type in the service name as per how it will be displayed in the booking engine. For example, departure transfer from the hotel to airport. When you click on geostructure, system will display the geostructure page. You have the option either to enter the country, zone or city. Tap in the city and click on Go. Select the city without the zone. Tap in the minimum number of passengers for the service, followed by the maximum number of passengers, and the service tab will automatically update it from the previous screen. Click on Submit to upload this information. Using the radio button, select the service to add it to a supplier. An Add Supplier Service Detail page will be displayed. At the supplier, using the drop-down, select the supplier for whom the service is attached. For example, Valvadi here. The service type is automatically updated from the previous screen. If you want to select another, using the drop-down, select another. The service also is picked up from the previous screen. The status should be active, and the preferred, if it is selected yes, it will be the preferred service. Belongs to, pre-sale, yes or no. If it is yes, it will always come as confirmed in the booking engine. Click on Submit. The information that is loaded is added here along with the supplier and the service. As you scroll to the right, the system also shows all the details that are entered. Select the radio button and click on View All Details to enter the contract. Supplier Service Allocation page will be displayed. The language with description details and the allocation details, the picture. Select the picture, click on Add Picture to add a picture to the service. System displays a new picture page. Type in a caption as per the requirement. Select default document yes or no if you want this to be displayed. Belongs to, you have the option to have this at a web, office or both levels. Select picture will allow you to load the picture Click on Search for Image and from the Media Library list, select the picture that is required for the service. And once it is loaded, click on Submit. System will update this picture for this particular service. Click on Contract to load a contract for this service. To add a new contract, click on Add New Contract. The Add Contract page will be displayed. Activate the radio button and select Next. The Add Contract page will be displayed. How to load a contract will be demonstrated in another video. And this concludes the demonstration for loading the supplier and services in Illusion On Demand. Thank you.